Uh, Reala? Reala, could you come here for a bit? Yes? What is it? Is there a reason why you called me here for? Well, yeah. Well, I wouldn't say it's anything too important, but rather it's, well, out with it. I can't pretty much understand what you're trying to tell me. Let's just say, and don't be angry, but it's another package that came in. What? It's not a plush, I promise you this time. Alright. And joining you will pretty much be someone different. It's not Knights, is it? No, not this time. Knights has gotten way too much screen time. Hey! What? It's true. Anyways, who is it? Well, someone I think you might actually find a lot more appealing. So, do come in, fine good sir. Oh, this is wonderful. I never thought I would be here once again. Oh, greetings, Reala. It's been a little while. Mordred Hood? Are you serious? You're seriously bringing in this snake here? Oh, is there a problem? Reala, be nice. I'm just confused. Well, considering the fact that I think it would be interesting to see you two try something for once. Plus, I feel as though you egg bosses could use a bit more screen time too. Well, you do raise a point. So what is it that we are in need? Yeah. What is it? Well, let's just say it's something rather big. Wait, what is that? Huh? Ow! Ow! Okay. You alright? Yes. Alright, get back. No need to tell me twice! Oops. Give us a moment, everyone. Well, that was unexpected. Did you seriously have to toss it like that? Look, I'm sorry, okay? I did not expect it to go overboard. Well, now you did. When did you become all of its drama queen all of a sudden? Oh, never mind. Let's just get this open. Yes. It's already open. You get in there. Alright, you get in there. I think I got something. Well, then get it out. Well, don't need this anymore. So what did you pretty much get? Get fix a camera. Okay. So what is it? I think you will be surprised, but apparently it's something that actually had in mind a bit. That is... Isn't that RPG game where you put yourself into these roles? Yes, I believe it is. Well now, I feel as though this could be interesting. Well, shall we pretty much be ready for this? Yes. So look forward. Sorry. It's really tough to hold this up. Okay. Better. Anyways, yes everyone, hope you're looking forward to doing this. As how this journey will go. I know I'm curious. Same here. The only question is, what will it be? Well, I'm not typically being the one in the main role this time. Then what might it be? Well, I've asked a few people, and they wanted to see whether they wanted a nightmare roll or an egg boss roll. So I found a few people, and they suggested like an egg boss roll. Sounds interesting. Ooh, I actually like the sound of that. That means, yes, Mordred, you and your comrades are finally going to get a chance to be in the spotlight once again. And you finally get a chance to show what you're capable of. Oh, this is marvelous. Thank you so much. Oh, and I hope you're all looking forward to it. Yes, I am too curious about this. Don't worry, Reala. In time, I might get to you, but for now, it's time for the Egg Boss approach. See you when the video starts, everyone. Looking forward to it. And we'll see you all later.